Hi there. Congratulations on your engagement. Planning your wedding is such an amazing time, but let's be honest, it can also be a little nerve-wracking. You've probably dreamed of your wedding being the most unforgettable day, one that's full of love, laughter, and an energy that keeps your guests talking for years. But let me ask you this. Have you ever been to a wedding where the vibe just felt off? People were sitting around, the dance floor was empty, and it just wasn't fun? Yeah, no one wants that. If those thoughts have crossed your mind, you're not alone. And here's the good news. You can have the fun, engaging, and seamless wedding you've always dreamed of, and I'm here to help make that happen. Here's the thing. Your DJ plays such a critical role in your wedding day. It's not just about music, it's about creating the right vibe, managing the flow, and ensuring every moment feels just right. But I've seen it happen too many times. Couples choose the cheapest or most convenient DJ only to end up with awkward silences, a dance floor that clears out early, or worse, a DJ who doesn't listen to what they really want. And then there's the overwhelming pressure of planning, building playlists, coordinating with vendors, and trying to make sure the day runs smoothly. It's a lot. But imagine this instead. Picture yourself walking into your reception and the energy is buzzing with excitement. Your guests are smiling, laughing, and ready to party, ready to celebrate your love. Every moment flows effortlessly from the first dance to the last song of the night. That's exactly what I specialize in creating. With my professional DJ and MC services, I help make those fun memories and those heartfelt stories that you and your loved ones can leave the night with, all because of the expertly managed and executed flow of energy, events, and emotions. With my personalized attention, care, and delivery that my past couples have praised, you can relax and truly enjoy your big day, knowing that every detail is taken care of. Here's a taste of what your dream wedding could look like. A personalized music experience that reflects your unique love story, songs that mean something to you, and keep the guests on the dance floor all night long. Seamless transitions throughout the night. From your grand entrance to your last dance, I'll handle the flow so you can focus on celebrating. No stress. I'm your facilitator who's there to coordinate with your other vendors, adjust to real-time changes, and keep the energy just right from start to finish. Imagine hearing your guests say, "That was the best wedding I've ever been to." Now that's the kind of magic I live for. So this all sounds great, but why me? Why DJ MOJOE? Don't all DJs work the same? Well, here's something you may find surprising. For over a decade, I've helped hundreds of couples in Southern California create unforgettable wedding experiences. Wedding planners and venues even consistently recommend me because I don't just bring the music. I bring a personalized approach, the professionalism, and a deep commitment to making your day extraordinary. When you work with me, it's not a cookie-cutter service. I take the time to understand your vision, your style, and anything that makes you happy. Together, we'll craft a timeline and playlist that reflects your personality and that will keep the party going. And it's not just about the music. I'm also your event collaborator before the wedding day and your facilitator on the day of, helping to bring your vision to life. From being your professional MC to ensuring flawless sound and lighting, I'll handle it all, so you can be fully present in the moment. Whew, well, we covered a lot. Just checking in, did anything I said resonate with you? Even just a little bit? If so, now it's your turn to take the next step with me to bring us one step closer toward your dream wedding. I'd love to hear about your vision and help you bring it to life. So what's next? Schedule a free discovery call with me today. It's quick, easy, and there's no pressure. This is where we'll talk about your unique taste and how we can make your wedding unforgettable. And don't wait, dates book up fast. And I want to make sure your big wedding day is everything you've dreamed of. So click the link below or visit my website wherever you're watching this video to get started. Once again, I'm DJ MOJOE. Let's make your wedding the event of the year, and I can't wait to connect with you.